She's growed up fast.
I know, it doesn't seem right, huh?
We just hadn't seen her very much.
No, she just seems like she's grown so fast.
She is growing fast. Can you get turned back over? Huh? Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. Your socks are somewhere over there. Your feet might get cold. Well, come and get sister. Come and get sister. Well, come on.
She's got to fly.
I know.
Come
I think
on.
she looks like the Superman pose.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. She wants to. She wants to.
You go, Skeeter.
I don't.
She's trying to stretch to give her a smooch.
Hello. Hello.
Say, I can scoot a little.
Come on. Well, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. My hands.
Are they
Feet.
rough? I need an exfoliator on them.
And
Huh?
I had Gold Bond, and it wasn't doing any good, and I got Vaseline, and it's not doing any good.
Hey, come on.
I don't know what to do. I just need to
Come on.
get Vaseline